Hello everybody, my name is Snowy and welcome to this little tutorial video for everybody who wants to go to the Philippines soon, and it all has to do with the so-called One Health Pass. This was the former pass that you needed in order to enter the country regarding the COVID pandemic, and that has now been phased out. The only problem is that what most people do not know is that currently there are apparently a lot of fake sites there which try to let you pay for the alternative for the One Health Pass, and I will show you what is exactly the deal. Now, if you go to the original site, it's onehealthpass.com.ph, it says like no site available anymore. So if you type it in Google, the old-fashioned One Health Pass cost, then it says basically the Philippines One Health Pass is free of charge. That's right, you don't have to pay a single dollar to get your One Health Pass for the Philippines. But okay, did I not just say that, you know, the One Health Pass charge is not there anymore? That's true, it has changed. It's now, if you click this, you get to this site, and here it says the Philippine One Health Pass is replaced by the eTravel card. The eTravel card is without cost. With that eTravel card you can travel to the Philippines. The thing is, my wife is a Filipina who is currently staying here in the Netherlands and has to fly back to the Philippines, was busy on this site, and it looks like a legit site, you know, Philippine Travel Health Certificate, submit application online. So she was filling in this information, blah 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 blah, and then eventually we came across here, review and confirm payment. Now that's a complete fraud. You know, that is really a fraud. You don't have to pay for a eTravel card. It's free. Instead of going to this site, and you can go to, you know, this site, you know, here, Philippines One Health Pass registration and requirements. It says now here, you know, it's replaced with the eTravel card. And if you click this, you come down to this site, and this site is the actual legit site where you can ask or register for eTravel. So here you can input all your information that is required. The thing is, you have 4 days. 4 days before your departure, you have to input your information here, and then yeah, it is done. So don't fall into the trap of paying for an eTravel card, but go to this site. I mean, this link I will put in the description, because it's also a government site, so that is legit in this case, and use this site and do not do anything else, and definitely don't pay for an eTravel pass. So just saying, just giving you this information to not fall into that trap, and I wish you a safe journey to the Philippines. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. See you, bye bye.